Hey guys, it's Brian, and welcome to another episode of Firebird Fridays. Today is kind of a two-subject video. First thing we're going to do is we're going to sand down the frame out of the 67 Firebird, and I'm going to show you two things that made this job so easy. They were these abrasive pads. This one here is for a angle grinder. This one here is for a die grinder, little Loctite thing. Amazon, link down below. These things were amazing, worth the $30 or $40, whatever it was, to buy these. If you're doing this and you're sanding some shit down, buy these. And you wanna know what this is? Well, I can't tell you just yet. That's down the road for another video. But I can tell you what came in this box that you can't see, but it's right there, but we'll open it up. And those are parts for the 67 Firebird project. So let me show you what I did on the frame, and I'm gonna do this all in like fast time. It's really boring to watch hours and hours worth of sanding, but check it out and you can watch the transformation to go from a 50-plus-year-old frame that had oil and dirt and everything else from Oklahoma on it back to shiny and ready for priming and painting, or pour 15, another video. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's get out and start doing some sanding.
this happens. Yep, slipped out of my hands. Just like a friend of mine who's doing a 67 Camaro over on Wrench It and Wheel It. Same thing. I dropped it and out of my hands it went. Luckily it didn't hurt me. But there's a link down to below one of his videos. Check him out.
Alright, let's see what we got. First unboxing video. Let's have a box of paper. They certainly pack it. Oh, what is this? It looks like Pro Stock Automotive Products is the manufacturer of all of these. So let's get all these out here. Let's see what we got. No glasses. This is a tie rod sleeve with clamps. Another tie rod. Oh, here we go. This is a tie rod end. This is a made in Taiwan. Great. It says made in USA, but it's obviously made in Taiwan. Great, so that's something. The control A-arm bushings. Maybe this is what these are. Control bushings. And this one here, a little heavier. This is a control A-arm bushing set, lower front and rear. A pair in there, apparently. Same as that. So far, it looks like front suspension parts. More paper. Whoosh. All right, this one is a lower ball joint. All right. And I suspect this would be another lower ball joint. Yep, another lower ball joint on there. This is probably going to be an upper ball joint. Look at that, another upper ball joint. Another upper ball joint. And let's see what else we got here. And this one here is another tie rod end. This is the outer. Out there. And sway bar bushings, right on. And this is another sway bar bushing. And we got here, this is the actual tie rod end, it says, so that's one of those. This is probably the other side. And I bet this is the one I need right now. This is going to be our subframe bushings, and they are sweet. Cool, so now you know what came in the big box. A bunch of front suspension parts and subframe bushings, so we can put the frame back in the car, so we can then put all this on. So cool. Well, this is this week's video. So you saw us sanding down the frame, sanding down all the control arms. Next video is to get all that prepped and painted, or pour 15s, and then we'll start to assemble all this stuff. So, all right guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you next Friday with another video.